My name is Hunt Nasari, and I'm the founder of Oztech. Today, we're gonna run through the installation of the Burro utility slide, which is the ultimate Milwaukee Packout compatible truck bed slide. Before we get into it, you're gonna need to have a 1/2" drill bit, a 5/16" drill bit, a 1/2" wrench or socket, as well as an 11/16" wrench. What's included with your slide will be 4 5/16" plus nuts, as well as 4 5/16" bolts and washers. On top of that, there will be a plus nut installation tool. First, with a helper, place the Burro utility slide in your truck bed where you want it installed. Make sure there's clearance on all sides and the tailgate can close without obstruction. Good rule of thumb is to leave about a 1/4 inch of clearance on all sides from your tailgate or your wheel well. And then keep in consideration what sort of loadout you're gonna have on the slide and make sure your boxes are gonna clear any other accessories you have in your truck bed. Next, partially extend the slide to expose the rear crossbar. Do not fully extend it to avoid flipping it out of the back of your truck. Locate the intersections of the mounting slots with the truck bed ribs. Make sure the edges of the holes are at least a 1/4 inch away from the rib edge. Use a 5/16" drill bit to create pilot holes. Then move the slides out of the way and enlarge the holes using a 1/2" drill bit. Before drilling any holes, make sure you're not going to hit your gas tank or an important wiring harness. Now we'll install the plus nuts. Place the plus nut assembly into the 1/2" hole, making sure the serrated nut and washers are in place. Hold the plus nut down with an 11/16" wrench while tightening the bolt with a 1/2" wrench or socket. You'll feel resistance at first, then it will get easier before tightening again. Be careful not to over tighten. Once installed, remove the bolt and serrated nut and repeat for the second hole. Place the Burro utility slide back in position and align the mounting slots with the installed plus nuts. Insert the 5/16" bolts with washers and tighten them securely. Next, fully extend the slide and repeat the same process for the tailgate side. Select the best mounting slot, drill pilot holes, remove the slide, enlarge the holes, and install the plus nuts before securing the bolts. Now that everything is tightened down, test your Burro utility slide by fully opening it and closing it, and ensure it latches in both positions. If you run into any issues, reach out to our support team. The Burro utility slide is compatible with the full line of Milwaukee Packout boxes. Both full width and half width Milwaukee Packout boxes can be used with the slide. Simply set them on, align them, and latch them in like you're setting them on top of another box. And that's it. Your Burro utility slide is installed and ready to go. If you have any questions or need more information, reach out to our email or visit our website.